Hi, my name is Leah, and I am the owner of Milk Farm Artisan Cheese Shop in Eagle Rock, California. I have been in the food industry for 20 years, and 12 of those years have been specifically in cheese. Tasty thinks they could stump me with this BuzzFeed cheese quiz. Let's get started. Most people can't identify 7 cheeses on this picture. Can you? Yeah. Well, I'm looking at this one on the right, and I'm gonna guess that this is the cheddar, but I kind of don't appreciate the way it's cut. But I'm gonna guess that the cheddar is this one. So the next one says click on Swiss, and I'm going to guess it is this one. Oh, see, this is kind of a trick, because in our shop, when people ask for Swiss, we specifically say, do you mean the Swiss with holes that have eyes, or do you mean a traditional Alpine style cheese? So the one I just clicked on looks like an Alpine style cheese, which is what I would consider a Swiss cheese. That was an accident. Okay, the next one says click on feta. Okay, process of elimination. Now I'm not gonna jump the gun, I'm gonna look at all the cheeses. I guess that one, because it's quite crumbly. Mozzarella, I guess it's that one. Mozzarella, this is a fresh mozzarella. Click on Gorgonzola. Is this really Gorgonzola picante? I think that this should be changed to just click on the blue cheese. The next one says click on Colby-Jack. It's that guy right here. I was actually gonna name my dog Colby-Jack. Provolone. Next one's Parmesan. It's this guy right here. Parmesan, if you're getting real Parmesan from Italy, it would be called Parmigiano Reggiano. And Parmesan made outside of Italy could be called Parmesan. You can tell that it's real because it actually has the etchings on it. Click on the Brie. Oh, I don't like the way this is worded because I know it's this one, but this is not Brie. This looks like Brebis Roost Argental. So I don't know, I feel like this is a trick question. Who wrote this test? I'm gonna redo this test. I'm gonna guess that you guys would say this one. Yes, right. Click on Havarti. I'm gonna click this one over here. Ooh. I'm right, the one with a really beautiful mint on the top. Click on Muenster. Now, is this supermarket Muenster, kind of like big block slicey Muenster, or like the stinky one? I'm gonna guess that you guys are thinking it's this one, because the other one, I'm thinking that you might choose that one for a Gouda. Yes. Okay, click on the goat cheese. That's easy because a lot of people always associate goat cheese with really soft, white, spreadable cheese, and that's what's pictured right here. Click on Manchego. This one here, that's very obvious. Manchego is always made with La Mancha sheep's milk from the La Mancha region in Spain. You could tell this is Manchego because of these esparto grass etchings that you see on the outside. I knew it. Click on the Gouda. It's this one right here. This one looks like smoked Gouda. Click on the Comte. This is the one that messed me up. I got 14 out of 15. It says that I'm a true cheesemonger, which is true, I guess. Whether it's Swiss or Stilton, you're definitely a cheese connoisseur. You know more about cheese than roughly 95% of humanity. Yeah, this is a really fun test. I can't believe that most people can only get 7 out of 15. That means I need to work a little bit harder to spread the gospel of cheese. And apply to be a cheesemonger, because it's a great job. I wonder if I should make my employees take this test. I think it'll be fun. I think that they would actually score 14 or 15. I think every single one of them would.